Cycrydd i'r Seintiau Newydd. Mariet o brobl. Unwaith eto'n sefyll dros y bêl. Teg at y cwrt chwech. Mae'n mynd arbenniad. Yn curo'r golwr. A mae Josh Daniels o fewn 3 munud o'r gêm gychwyn wedi rhoi'r Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Wedi chwip o Cycrydd gan Mariet. Meddwl na taro trwyn Josh Daniels yn athi. Dechrau delfrydol i dîm Craig Harrison. Daniels. Dan bwysig gan Harrington. Groesiau cael ei thynnu nôl i Ben Clark. Tu cefn o Brad Young. Clark draed cyfle mae'r ergyd. Am gol gan Ben Clark. Di'n gobaith i'r golwr Andy Firth. 20 munud o'r gêm di chwarae. Mae'r Seintiau Newydd wedi dyblu ei mantais. 10 gol o'r tymor i chwaraeo'r ganol Cei y pencampwyr. Davies, gwaith da. Camu ar draws Bradley. Basi mewn i Clark. Nôl i Davies, camu ar draws Edwards, cyfle, Dan Davies. Am gol wych gan Dan Davies yn erbyn i Ginglob. Trydydd gol o'r tymor i'r amddiffynwr canol. Gyda 9 munud o'r hanner cyntaf weddill. Yr Seintiau Newydd ymhellach ar y blaen yma. Pasg. Neb ar gyfel Jordan Williams. Gwaith da gan Pasg a Mariet. Basi mewn i Jordan Williams os y bedwaredd. Oes ma yna. Wel cyllath boeth trwy fenyn. Josh Pasg yn creu y tro yma. Mae'n dod ddrwg i waith i dîm Neil Gibson. Dim yn hanner amser eto. Jordan Williams yn rhwydo 10 gol o'r tymor. Amddiffyn Cei Connah ar chwal. Fydd ymateb Cei Connah ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Pasg arbeniad. Davies. Siawns bod yn cael pregath. Groesiad wedi mewn teg at Jack Kenny. Am ddechreuad i'r ail hanner munud ar y cloc. A mae Cei Connah yn ôl yn y gêm efallai. Jack Kenny yn rhwydo gol rhif 11 o'r tymor. Nash. Poole. Chodi fyny tuag at Kenny, di'n cam sefyll na, dio ddim. Kenny ar draws tuag at Jordan Davies tu cefnydd o Clark y cyfle am yr ail. Gwaith gwych gan Josh Pasg ar y postyn agosa. Cyfle i Ed Clark, ond Josh Pasg yn gwneud gwaith arwrol i droi hwnna rownd y postyn am gig gornel. I Cyrydd gael eich mynd yn sydyn. Poole. Chodi fyny tuag at ymwyl y cwrt Cosby. Hawdd i Davies ben iawn allan. Ffigio fyny gan Aaron Williams. Ar ei droed chwith. Groesiad ddim, rhy ddim. Na, mae Jordan Davies yn cadw ar dir y chwarae. Mae dal yno. Declan Poole. Jack Kenny cael ei ail. Oedd ar y llinell gan Pasg unwaith eto. Sydd ar y ddiar. Oedd Cei Connah ddim troi hwnna i mewn i gefn y rhwyd. Sydd yn ei gêm wedyn. So hwnna di mynd i mewn. Dim o tro cyntaf yno. Mae'r Seintiau wedi cael y clirio. Oedd ar llinell ei hunan. Da gan Brad Young yn twyllo un i bei Harrington. Groesiad tuag at McManus ar cyfla. Mae'n gefn y rhwyd. Efallai gymerodd i wiriad. Yn gwaith gwych lawr yr asgell lle gan Brad Young i gychwyn. Yr eilydd Declan McManus yn rhwydo 8 gol o'r tymor.
Craig, after winning the title last week, people might have thought you would have taken the foot off the gas, but not today.
No, certainly not, especially the first half. I thought the first half were outstanding, as good as what we've been. It's obviously, I think 4 was a fantastic result to come in a really tough team, and but probably could have been 5 or 6 in all honesty. Firthy's made a few good saves as well. But yeah, I thought first half especially were excellent.
4-0's a very, very tough place to be at half-time, and we've got a fantastic group of players, and that's what I reminded them of at half-time. There's a lot of players in there that care, they're hurting, they're proud of how they look after themselves on the football pitch, and I didn't feel it was a 4-0 scoreline at half-time, but as I say, TNS were very clinical about what they did, and it was important that we galvanised ourselves at half-time and remembered what we're about and went out and showed what we're about in the second half, and obviously scoring early helps. We've had there's a deflection from Josh Pasg that goes just to the side of the post. Eddie Clark has one cleared off the line. Declan has 2 cleared off the line in the same moment. And if 1 or 2 of them go in and it gets to 4-2, 4-3, you can put TNS under a little bit of pressure there. And then frustratingly they go down the other end, and Declan McManus has 1 chance off the bench and scores. So again, the quality of the finishing probably was the difference in that.
Dan, not a bad week for you. Coming to see call up and a goal against your old club.
Yeah, it's a good week to be fair, and good result as well to finish it off.
Yeah, you came out in other traps firing, goal within 3 minutes, and not the tallest of players scoring on the end of a free kick.
Yeah, we work hard all week on set pieces, to be fair, and they've paid off. I think they said in the week that we've had the most expected goals off set pieces, so if you put the work in training ground, it's good that it's paying off. Yeah.
And yourself and Josh Pass, two central defenders, you were both marauding forward, and obviously Josh didn't score, but yourself combined well and a good finish.
Yeah, Passy got an assist, to be fair, but yeah, the space has opened up and we're happy enough, comfortable on the ball and happy enough to step in and take the space, so yeah.